Hi, my name is Dr. Fatma and I am a lecturer at the University of Northampton within the Faculty of Business and Law. My specialty includes human resource management and organizational behavior, supply chain optimization, beef supply chains, value chain, process simulation and scenario analysis. I will be the guest speaker and will be acting as a keynote speaker for the upcoming conference held on the 3rd of May, which is the International Conference on Advanced Robotics and Mechatronics. I will also be doing a presentation for the conference, and the presentation is based on it is on a very important subject, which is on beef supply chains. So my presentation will be focusing on the financial impact of robotic process automation and its adoption for sustainable beef supply chain production. This is a very crucial topic that I will be presenting on, as we know that beef suppliers constantly strive for sustainable beef production, and they also face many financial and operational challenges. As we are living in an era of globalization and automation, therefore automation and automating processes greatly enhances beef production, and it also impacts on a positive level on its financial aspects and on its operational aspects as well. So this is what my presentation will be focusing at, and my presentation will also delve deeper into how the correct and the full adoption of robotic process automation enhances financial and operational supply chain efficiency. This is a simulation-based study, therefore secondary data analysis has been done, and the software Simul8 has been utilized to produce the findings and results on this subject matter. And that will be all for me. Thank you.